Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. This evening, Sting promoter Isaiah Leng is addressing concerns surrounding artist payments for performances at the iconic Boxing Day event. Speaking at the recent media launch, Leng dispelled rumors of payment issues. He, however, acknowledged that discrepancies often exist between what artists expect and what they're valued.
I've not seen no artists are getting paid. Some people just feel like them too greedy. There's some people, there's some greedy ones, you know. Because at first they will come and tell you that they want 50,000 US, 40,000 US, and them don't worth it from day one. So when you have to negotiate and come down to 20 or 15, it look like you are the culprit.
Leng compared Sting to other local festivals, asserting that the event offers the most competitive compensation for artists.
Sting paid artists the biggest money in Jamaica to date. And over the years, we pay the biggest money. It comes through this someone who came on the scene and started paying them some enormous amount of money. And then we had to keep the show going, we have to reach the bar. It was hard to, but I did it. And that's what we have the continuity of Sting right now. If I never did that, couldn't have been going till today.
Hailed as the training ground for upcoming acts, Sting has provided many with a platform to propel their career. However, many are now staying clear of the event.
The veteran artists want to come back to Sting because they knew that's what made them. But the ones in the middle, them just feel like they're too big for Sting. But it's okay. Time will tell.
Recording artist Jigsy King weighed in, crediting Leng while describing some artists who avoid the event as ungrateful.
Me left a lynch still. Come a town, come thief posters, Sting posters. Me thief and carry back a lynch still. So, oh no, everybody are gonna let them bigger than Sting now. Tell Butcher Bantan say, me say, Bounty Killer, Bean them and all of them, at this bill way. At this bill way. I want to know, brother. We must show enough respect to Mr. Leng.
Sting this year will see the likes of Tommy Lee Sparta, Yaxter, Egyptian, Turbulence, Jamil, Pablo YG, and a host of other established and upcoming dancehall acts. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.